Greetings and salutations. Today I'm going to write a bash script on Linux that starts my Monero node in the terminal. I'll then add a keyboard shortcut to run the script. Open up a terminal window by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T on your keyboard. I used to have to change directory to the monero-gui folder, then start Monerod with a flag to store the blockchain in an external drive. The script will automate this process. Change directory to where you would like to store the script. Type in nano space, then a name for your script and press enter. In my case I'll use _gate. In the nano editor, add the absolute path for bash. Type the following commands, combining them into one line. The first command is to open the terminal. --c reads commands from a string. In double quotes put the commands to change directory and to start Monerod. Separate them with a semicolon. I added db-salvage at the end of the Monerod command just in case. I also backed up the blockchain on a separate drive, otherwise I would face the pain of syncing from scratch.
痛みを感じろ。痛みを考えろ。痛みを受け取れ。痛みを知れ。
The final command is the title for the terminal window. Press Ctrl+X to exit nano. It is going to ask you to save modified buffer. Press Y, then press enter. List all the files in the current directory by typing ls:\ul. Add executable permissions to your script by typing chmod+x or 755, then the name of your script. Run the script by typing // then the name of your script. A new window is opened and your node is running. Type exit to close. Go to settings, then keyboard. Go to application shortcuts, then add. Browse to the location of your script, then click open, then OK. Assign keys to execute the command. Close the keyboard window, then type the keys you assigned earlier. Monerod will start running. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep winning.